Today I'll be showing you a little bit Judge Ward's courtroom. That's where we intern in the courthouse, and a couple of things that we do there.
I started out working in the attorney's offices. I worked there for 4 years, and then I went to municipal court. I worked there for 8 years, and then I came over here, and I've been here 11 years. Let's think what my duties are. I am assignment commissioner, court reporter, secretary for the judge. I forget. What was the other thing?
What we do for you.
Oh, Kate and Sierra are very helpful. They do pretty much anything we ask them to do. They pull our files for the next day. They do a lot of filing for us. They stuff envelopes for the jury stuff. Just anything that we've asked them to do. They've been very courteous, and they do a very good job.
These are the mailboxes that the public defenders and the prosecutors have, and various other lawyers around Athens County. When we get papers for them, we just put them in these mailboxes, and they check them once in a while, and that's how they get their papers. This is where we put some of the closed criminal files and the civil files. As you can see, there are red folders. That's where Judge Ward puts the folders that he wants taken back up to and returned to the clerk of court's office. This is the copier. We use it to fax documents to other law offices in Athens. We also make important copies with this copier. We'll make 3 copies of a document and give one to the prosecutor. We'll file one to keep, and then we'll give the other to the defendant's lawyer. This is the criminal filing cabinet. We keep here documents from the various different criminals that we have, and each criminal has their own folder. And we also put Judge Ward's notes that he takes during each trial. We put them in these manila folders. This is Judge Ward's office. This is his front door looking in. He has a door from his office into his courtroom. Both Judge Ward and Judge Goldsberry have their own offices and courtroom. This is Judge Ward's courtroom. It's the smaller of the 2 courtrooms, but it's nice for bond hearings and violations of community control, which happen quite frequently in the courthouse. As you can see, there are seats for the jury, a seat for the judge, a seat for the timekeeper and bailiff, and a seat for the prosecution and the defense. We are going to learn how to file a file. So first, let me show you a little bit around the last floor of the courthouse. So this is domestic relations. So this is where you go if you want to change your child support or get a divorce. Next, we're heading into the office of the clerk of courts. So this is where they keep all of the cases and documents pertaining to different criminals. So as you can see, there are so many files. So let's go over to the civils here and pull one out. This one looks good. And now, as you can see on it, it has a number, it has a time that it was filed, and it has a name, and it has a barcode. So you take this case, and you take the scanner on the computer, and you scan the barcode, and you just save it. And then you can do that with all of your files. The process to return the file is the same. The clerk of court's office also has a place in the back where they store files that they aren't using. The folders that are in the green are the domestic relations files. And then here in the back, there are closed criminal files. If a file is closed, that means the defendant hasn't been active in a while, so it gets put back so it can make room for more. For my interview, I interviewed both secretaries in Judge Ward's office, Tammy Thatcher and Sharon Black.
Hello, my name is Tammy Thatcher. I am one of the bailiff court reporters for the Athens County Common Pleas Court. I have been with the court system going on 12 years. I started my career by attending Hocking College for 2 years, taking the secretarial science / legal part of the program. I started right off working for a law firm and worked for attorney Herman Carson for about 9 years. And I came to the court in 2002, so I guess I'm going on, 11 years, 12 years. And I've been here ever since. My daily activities include court reporting in the courtroom, preparing and typing legal documents and decisions for the judge. I have been filling in part-time for the grand juror commissioner that has been out since August, which means I have to prepare grand jury summonses, petit jury summons, and take care of all the jurors that are required to come to do their civic duty here in the court. I have 2 high school interns from Federal Hocking, Sierra and Kate, and they have basically followed us around the office, and they have learned how to do some of the jury stuff. One, if not both, have learned how to run our court recording equipment, and they have got to see a little bit of our jury trials. They process our paperwork, go to the clerk's office and bring our files down, and do some observing in the courtroom. And I have been asked to do an interview here with them today, and I'm very pleased that they have been here with us.
I started out working in the attorney's offices. I worked there for 4 years, and then I went to municipal court. I worked there for 8 years, and then I came over here, and I've been here 11 years. Let's see what my duties are. I am assignment commissioner, court reporter, secretary for the judge. I forget. What was the other thing?
What we do for you.
Oh, Kate and Sierra are very helpful. They do pretty much anything we ask them to do. They pull our files for the next day. They do a lot of filing for us. They stuff envelopes for the jury stuff. Just anything that we've asked them to do. They've been very courteous, and they do a very good job.